stand on top of every hill with getting such a thrill. I hear them say in Dublin there's golden in their hills. So don't despair, if you dare, the answer lies with me. There's a wall that's deep and it's going cheap somewhere in Germany.
Everybody sing, let's sing it!
And if I could, I'd build a wall around Old Donegal. The north and south is keep the mark, by God I'd build it tall. Casinos, chicken ranches, I'd legalize them all. Cover all Las Vegas and the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas and the hills of Donegal. The north and south keep the mark, by God I build it all. Casinos, chicken ranches, I legalize them all. Robber all Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal.